Welcome to Twin Flame Test. Get started. How important is commitment is having a relationship, healthy relationship? Not important at all. 9. Extremely important. Commitment. Next. I I ideally should marriage be forever? Should marriage be forever? Yes, forever. Would you feel completely satisfied being married to someone who did not align with all of your core values? Would you feel completely satisfied being married to someone who did not align? Would you feel completely satisfied being married to someone? No. Do you feel romantic love is something you are entitled to have without needing to pull any efforts into the process? क्या आपको लगता है कि रोमांटिक प्यार कुछ ऐसा है जिसे आप इस प्रक्रिया में कोई प्रयास करने की आवश्यकता के पाने के? नो, मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगता। वन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10, हाउ वैल्यूएबल इज हैविंग हेल्दी रोमांस इन योर लाइफ? Extremely valuable. If your partner does something I found upsetting, my best course of action is it? यदि मेरा साथी कुछ ऐसा करता है तो मुझे लगता है मेरी कार्रवाई का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है मेक श्योर आई डू समथिंग एट लीस्ट इक्वली अपसेटिंग फॉर देम इन रिटर्न so they know exactly how they made me feel and they won't be again. Make an effort to resolve the conflict with patience because I know that adding more upset to relationship will not result in favorable outcome. I think second. Make an effort to resolve the conflict. Make sure something is at least equally upsetting. Equally, no, patience. That's. I am willing to learn, grow, and change in order to achieve better results than I am currently getting. Yes, I am willing. If starts turning stale or sour in my relationship, I should leave the relationship. Star and sale. What is star and sale? स्टेल एंड सोर रिश्ता में बासी या खट्टी होने लगती है तो मुझे चाहिए लीव द रिलेशनशिप एंड फाइंड अ न्यू वन दैट इजंट एज बोरिंग. नो. ब्लेम माई पार्टनर बिकॉज आई एम वंडरफुल एंड इट्स माई फॉल्ट दैट अवर रिलेशन. नो. क्वेश्चन एवरीथिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ एंड ब्लेम माई सेल्फ अंटिल आई लर्न टू डू. Love the situation. No. Accept the relationship as it is because I should grateful to have a. No. Question everything about myself and blame myself and do right. How important is it that your partner puts effort into your relationship? हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट यार, ये तो मेरे लिए होना चाहिए. यह कितना महत्वपूर्ण है कि आपका साथी रिश्ते में प्रयास करे. यस, अगर मैं प्रयास करूँगी तो इक्वली एक्सट्रीमली मतलब हाँ इम्पोर्टेंट होना चाहिए. हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इक्वालिटी इन रिलेशनशिप? मेरे अंदर इक्वालिटी है तो एक्सट्रीमली. Should both partner put equal effort into the relationship? Yeah. How much effort should each person puts relationship? My significant other should put the more effort in order to appreciate me. I should put more effort relationship in order to appreciate my. Both partners should invest equally amount into the neither party should be concerned very much with investing in the relation. It happened and it's not meant to be. Neither party should be concerned very much with investing into the relationship. It happens. If it doesn't, then it's not meant to be. किसी भी पार्टी को बहुत चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए. यदि ऐसा होता है तो ऐसा होता है, यदि नहीं होता है तो इसका मतलब यह नहीं है. दोनों भागीदारों को रिश्ते में समान मात्रा में निवेश करना चाहिए। अपने आप ही होता है बेबी। कितने क्वेश्चन आई डोंट नो। हाउ मच डू यू फील it's worthy to invest into your romantic relationship? आपको कितना लगता है कि ये आपके रोमांटिक रिश्ते में निवेश करने के लायक है? एवरीथिंग यू हैव एंड ऑल यू हैव, एज लॉन्ग एज इट नॉट बीन डेटोरिएट वो। आपके पास जो कुछ भी है, आप जो भी है, जब तक यह नहीं बिगड़ता है कि आप कौन हैं। एवरीथिंग, आपके पास जो कुछ भी है, और जो आप भले ही बिगड़ जाए कि आप कौन हैं। एज यू मैस छोड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन जीवन में प्यार से ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ें हैं। कुछ नहीं करने के लिए थोड़ा सिर्फ प्यार मुझे मेरे लिए होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है। हाँ, दैट्स द पॉइंट। हाउ रिस्पॉन्सिबल आर यू फॉर गेटिंग रिजल्ट इन योर रोमांटिक लाइफ? माय गॉड, ये तो बहुत बड़ा है। Completely responsible. I understand my reality is my responsibility, and if I desire to experience something different, I should put forth the effort to create the change I desire. Yes. Would What would you do if your significant other didn't want to change their strange and स्टेंज ऑन समथिंग? यदि आपको अन्य किसी चीज़ पर अपना रुख नहीं बदलना, यदि आपका महत्वपूर्ण अन्य योर स्पेसिफिक अन्य किसी चीज़ पर रुख नहीं बदलता, तो आप क्या करेंगे? मूव ऑन, ट्राई टू टॉक थिंग्स विद them and make him take a moment to check I am triggered by their responsible and I cause consider my course of action. Yeah, absolutely. How valuable is it to have professional tools and support to help you on a twin flame journey? Not the valuable. I get my destination eventually, and whatever find on the internal something somewhat valuable, I will listen to professionals for a few tips most and very valuable. I understand that passive professionals are highly focused on getting result for their clients, and yeah, how important it is it to be able to continue deepen your relationship with your significant other? अन्य अनिश्चित काल के साथ आपके रिश्ते को गहरा करने में सक्षम होना कितना महत्वपूर्ण है? या एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट। हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट टू रोमांस एंड इंटीमेसी इन अ रिलेशनशिप? एक्सट्रीमली या इम्पोर्टेंट। हाउ वैल्यूएबल इज कम्युनिकेशन एंड कनेक्शन इन अ रिलेशनशिप? या extremely. Are you willing to learn, grow, and change in order to attract forever love into your life? Are you willing to learn, grow? Yeah. Okay. We will send on. Okay. नीलेश नीलेश जून, पता नहीं कौन सी वाली भर गए। 1111 या submit. Congratulations on completing the twin flame test. Check your inbox. Result which should be arriving shortly. This is my result. Your twin flame test result and next step on your twin flame journey are here. Let's find out how you did and whatever whether you are ready to embark on the spiritual journey. You're scored 80 to 100%. Congratulations, receiving this result means you are ready to take a spiritual attending harmonious union. The union journey is journey of self-love, discovery, healing. You are ready to go different route to get different result than most people. You have someone who desired true external we have, so the way you get it. As you learn, the twin flame journey can be full of pitfalls, challenges and obstacle designed for your growth. Can trip anyone, no matter how spiritually advanced you can often feel circus. Jeff Sally founded the teaching of union with offer to complete path of healing, separation, permanently attending harmonious twin. They pioneered the path to harmonious union leads to countless students. Their work in design, so many have attained harmonious union by following this process and the okay you have to will the success based on your result. Your next step is recommend begin the journey. Free 8 lessons introductory course. Free 8 lesson twin flame introductory course. In this free course, you will get read Salia's story, how she attained harmonious twin flame union and learn everything you need to know to get started and master the twin flame journey, spiritual journey. You have received 8 in-depth lesson with all the essential to guide you. Learn the mirror exercise, which is the only tool you need to heal twin flame separation. Extra gifts include access to way to sign up for free twin flame introductory course and being your twin flame journey. Wish you a very success in taking this next step on your journey. Sincerely, the twin flame universe team. Okay, but main lessons को बाद में देखूंगी. Bye.